transferred back to you guys. Well, I called it 8-something number, and they transferred me back to you guys. Dispatch. No, I called.
No, man, find the laptop. Hey. Hey.
What's your car?
No, that's his. I'm looking for.
Yeah, I know. I was asking this guy if his car was the one that got messed up. Your car's okay though?
My car's okay, I think. I think it's all the way down there. Hey, good luck, dude. It'll be fine. There's a lot of pumping hours.
Baseball bat didn't look too much.
I'm gonna do it again with the Mustang.
Hey, if I got up out of class, you think my professor would be pissed for this?
No.
No,
He'll probably understand because
that.
yeah, that's pretty messed up, dude.
Take a picture of it and
Yeah.
it in the class. He'll excuse you, I promise.
Hey, can one of you guys stand next to us so I get a height?
Just like lay down in the water.
I'm like 5'10", so.
So this was seriously up to you guys' like
Nipples? It's up to my knee right now.
Yeah. Down knee height.
I gotta delete some photos.
It's all cool, buddy.
So, in the span of this